guys, welcome back to Marketing Fundas Global. Now in our Google Ads course, we have completed the search ad series. Now in this course, I'm gonna conduct, or we can simply say we are starting with the display ad series, right? So from here, from this video, we are starting our display ads complete series where I'm gonna show you how display ads can help you to grow your business drastically. What are the types of display ads, how to run display ads, how to customize your display ad campaign, how to optimize your display ad campaign. Everything I'm gonna teach you in the upcoming videos, so stay connected. And in this video I'm gonna tell you that what are the benefits of using display ads, what can be the cost you have to bear using display ads, and what are the formats in display ads. These basic questions which you could have into your mind, I'm gonna clear all these questions in this particular video. Okay, so let's start with this first slide where I'm gonna showing you the topics which I'm gonna clear in this particular video. So the first one is what are display ads or display network. Then I'm gonna tell you that how this Google display ad works, right? Then I'm gonna tell you the types of display ads, benefit of display ads, size and formats which you have to use in display ads. Then best practices, what are the best practices you should follow. Then examples of display ad, that what will the cost that you have to bear. And at the end I'm gonna provide you three key audience building factors that can help you to uh, get success in your display ad campaign, right? So let's start with the slide first, where the question is what is display Google display ad or display network. Basically Google display ad, or you can say display network, is a part of Google where Google has thousands of millions of partnered sites where Google shows display ads. And the best part is that the number of sites that Google have into its GDN network is around 2 million, right? And it has applications, it has video networks where your ad can appear, right? Also there is around 90% of the globe internet user that Google can reach, right? So you just have to pick up Google display ads in order to market your product, your service, and you'll be have the access to 90% of the users who are using internet these days, right? Now I hope you understood that what is Google display ad or GDN network. And if you want more briefly explanation about these GDN network or Google display ad network, then you can check out our video in this particular playlist. You can go to our playlist section and there you can find out the Google ads course series where I have already uploaded and explained everything about GDN, right? Now let's go to the third slide, which says how display ad works. Basically display ads are a form comes in a form of images or videos or sometimes GIFs, right? Now as you can see here, these are the basically display ad examples. The this is wide skyscraper, then skyscraper, half page, medium rectangle. So these are the name of these display ads, and these are the banners that Google shows in their display, in its display network, in order to increase your brand awareness or sales as well. Right now you should use good large number, sorry, not large number, a large size of CTA into these display ads. As you can see, every display banner has added buy now button in it, as you can see here, because you don't get much space in display ads so that you can show everything. So you have to add limited content into your display ads and a good strong CTA, call to action button, right? Now let's go to the next slide, which says types of display ads. So basically there are only two types of display ads: image ads and video ads. Also GIF, which is GIFs, are comes under image ads, right? And then we have video ads. So these two types of properties comes under display ads, right? Then we have benefits of display ads. What are the benefits, main benefits of using display ads? The first one is differentiate your brand. Obviously you get the user access of 90% of all over the internet user from all over the world, right? Which means you are able to market every customer segment you want, and it helps you, ultimately it helps you to differentiate your brand from your competition, obviously. Then the second point we have that says build brand awareness. Yes, mainly display ads are used to do brand awareness, right? So if you want your customer to recall your brand, then display ads are the perfect option. Then the third option is help you improve performance for your other ads. Obviously, let's say you are running sales, or simple, in a simple language you can say conversion campaign, right? Let's say you are running conversion campaign, and side by side if you run display ads or display campaign as well, then it helps you to get more conversions, because when people sees your ads multiple times, ultimately it helps you to get a conversion, right? Then the fourth point says skyrocket results with targeting. Basically it's not targeting, it's retargeting. Yes, if you do retargeting with you with display ads, then it can help you to skyrocket the result. Yes, obviously, let's say you have already run search ads, right? And you got 1,000 clicks, which means 1,000 users, right? Now you can retarget those users with your display ad campaign, which is more cost effective, and as they have already interacted with your brand, so there's a high chance that they can buy or they can convert just by seeing your display ad, right? Then the fifth point is very cost effective. Obviously, I've already told you that display ads are very cost effective in compared to search ads, right? Now let's go to the next slide that says size and formats of display ads. So I'll be giving you the link in the description box below so that you can check what are the perfect size for display ads. That link is the official website of Google, where they have already shown you that what kind of sizes, what kind of format you need to use in display ads, right? Now I think your confusion with formats and sizes is cleared now, right? Now we have the seventh slide that says Google display ads best practices. Yes, there are many best practices, or you can say healthy practices, that you should follow in order to get the most out of your display ad campaign. The first point is get your targeting right. Yes, obviously you have to do the perfect targeting in order to get the best possible result, right? Because if your targeting is wrong, then definitely people not be interested in your product, and when they are not interested in your product, they are not gonna buy, or they are not gonna consider in future, right? Then the second point says keep your search and display network distinct. Yes, don't just show the same thing into your search ad or in your display ad, right? You have to be a bit distinct so that people don't get bored with the detail or the data you are providing, right? Or the way you are trying to grab their attention with your ads, right? So you have to be distinct with both the methods, right? Then the third point says create ads that stand out. Yes, obviously, in display ads we have to be a bit creative, not bit creative, we have to be much creative, because just get this much space, this is the banner size space, and by showing this banner we have to grab the attention of our customer, who is our target audience, right? So we don't get lots of space there, we have only few words to write and one CTA, and maybe one discount, right? Discount offer. So all in all, we have to be very creative, and our ad should be very attractive, very click worthy, so that we can get the results as best as possible. Then we have the fourth point that says separate your remarketing audience with new users. Yes, it means that you have to run your remarketing campaign and your new user campaign differently. Don't just run your remarketing and new user campaign with one campaign only, right? So you have to make different campaigns for remarket audience and new audience or new users, right? Then the fifth point says create optimized landing page. Yes, when you are able to agree your customer to get to click on your ad, but if your landing page is not that much promisable, if your landing page is not that much convertible, it means you will not gonna get any conversion. So it is very important to get a high quality converting landing page, as it is very important to get conversions, right? So both are important. Your display banner is also important, your display banner is also click worthy, and your landing page is also very important, and it should be very converting, right? Now the 6 point says monitor frequently. Yes, you not just run your campaign and leave it ghosted, right? You have to check the performance on a regular basis, that how it is working, how it is it can be better, and what are the things that I should customize in my campaign, right? So you should monitor your campaigns frequently. Then the 7 point says explore all placement options properly. Yes, there are many placement options. As you can see, this is for some different kind of placement, this is for any different kind of placement, this is for any different kind of placement. So you have to explore that what are the placements are best working for you. So you have to experiment, you have to explore it, that which placements are working for you. Then the 8 point says ensure ads should be mobile friendly. Yes, you have to create the ads that are mobile friendly as well, because most of the audience is on mobile these days, right? So mobile friendly ads is very important. Then the 9 point is CTA should be clear and loud, as like these, right? CTA, call to action, should be clear and loud. And it is very important to add a call to action, right? As they have added a call to action which is buy now. So it is important to add a call to action, but it depends on your strategy, that what kind of ad you are running, right? But generally CTA is very important. Then the 10th point is, which is very practical, A/B testing. You should create multiple types of ads, right? And then test with multiple ads, and then find out that which type of display ad is working for you, which type of design, which type of headline, which type of text is working for you, and then scale that campaign, right? So you should A/B test your ads. Now let's go to the eighth slide, which says Google display examples. Basically these are the examples. As you can see here, we have taken manually these screenshots, and how to find out that these display ads are coming from Google directly. So when you see this kind of symbol or logo type thing, as you can see here, so when you see this kind of blue color symbol or logo, that means this ad is from Google itself, right? As you can see here, and when you click here on this I button, you'll be able to see ad by Google, right? So next time when you see this kind of logo, just go and hover your mouse, hover your cursor over there, and you'll be able to see ad by Google, right? So this is how your display ad looks like. These are the examples, right? Now let's go to the ninth slide, which is cost. How much cost you have to bear while using display ad? Well, it depends on many factors, right? It depends on your location, it depends on your niche, it depends on your category, which kind of category you are on which kind of category you are running your ads, also on which type of on which type of websites your ads, display ads are showing, right? It also depends. So there are many factors. It is not easy to quote certain number that you have to pay this much amount for your for a click to get on display ad, or for a milestone, right? So the first thing is that you can pay by CPM, which is cost per milestone. When you get 1,000 impressions, then you have to pay a nominal amount, or when you then you have to pay a certain amount of money. Or you can go with CPC model, which is cost per click. When you get a click, you have to pay, right? So there are two models. Then the second point is, which is very important, that display ads are much cheaper than search ads, right? So this is the thing you have to keep in mind when you are going with display ads, that display ads are much cheaper than search ads. So if you have run already run your search ads, then you will get a number, or you will get a rough idea that how much I have paid for my search campaign and how much I have to pay for display ads, right? So this is how, or this is what you have to pay for display ads. Then the last slide is three key audience building factors, right? How you can build your audience. The first one is select the right devices. Yes, you have to select the right devices. You have to find out that majority of your audience is on mobile devices, is on tablets, or is on PC, right? So you have to find it out. Then the second point is choose the right demographics and location. Obviously, when you are running your ads, when you are starting your any type of campaign, you have to figure out that what is the right demographics of my audience, and what are the locations, what are their age, what are their income level. You have to find out these everything, right? So ultimately this helps you to show your ads to the perfect audience as you want, right? Then the third point is mark the box for content exclusion. Well, there is an option that where you don't want to show your ads. So if you think that showing my ad on this placement or in this kind of location is not so good, so you should mark those locations for content exclusion. So there's an option in Google display ads. When we'll be creating the campaign, I'll show you the option that you can check this box when you want to exclude your ads from this kind of locations, right? So it is very important because showing your ads on unnecessary places can increase your spending, and at the end your campaign go into negative, right? So keep these three key points into your mind while running your display ads. I hope you understood the points which I have explained in this video. And if you still have any question or query regarding any of the point which I have told you in this video, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.